Like I said, this is my NEPA, which is the PHCN. This is my load, and this is my generator. Then this is the supply, so the inverter, and this is the output of the solar system. So now, for me to run the connections like I showed you in the diagram, I will first of all choose on the source I want to work with first. Then, in my own decision, I can decide to work with the NEPA first, then come back to my generator. But because of distance and the one that is convenient for me per time, I choose my generator. So I'm going to connect my generator first. You know that AC doesn't obey polarity or follow polarity. You can choose black to be your life. You can choose, but the standard is you follow your color coding, which is red to red, black as neutral. Are you taking the video? Okay. So this is my gen source. I'm going to work on the NEPA source, because I'm working with a link key, which is a metal. So this is a conductor. So what will I do first? So in order to prevent short circuit or electrocution, I will first of all go to my supply source, which is the cutout, and unplug the fuse before I can work on this. Now that I'm done with that, I can now choose to work on my, for safety reasons, you must have to do that. Get the fuse, I'm holding it to avoid somebody going there and slot it and say he doesn't know. Hold it. That is my life. This is the neutral. Avoid melting. Make sure there is no partial contact. Will be properly tight. Then I will now work on, now we've gotten this NEPA and gen, so the next thing is to link it to here then I need another cable. So now this is the input. This one now is the input to the inverter system for charging. The load.
Yeah, went to the bedroom first.
So like I said, we brought the connection on. This is the NEPA, this is the gen, this is NEPA and gen. This is the output for NEPA and gen. Then we feed it here. From here we now select the ones that goes to the inverter. So and this is the load to the house. Now let me go and put back my fuse. I removed it because of safety. Others have it. So looking at this now, this is our NEPA. I changed to NEPA. Now, since I changed to NEPA, there will be no light in the house until I use this as the master controller to the house. So this one goes here. You see the lights over there for NEPA. Now, let me go to my solar system. You can see my man is here now. Just observe what is happening. Pure sine wave. Battery voltage 28.7. This is the inlet to show you that there is input of 212 volts. That's what enters as mains. Now it is charging my system. I want to use is probably I want to use generator. I can bring it down to gen. Then if I want to use my solar, I can equally bring it down to solar. If I bring it down to solar, it means I have to go and on my solar system. That is what it does. So if I do it like that and observe me, this will go off now. You see? Now if I bring it down to solar, this is my solar system, this is the input. So that you understand what I'm saying. This is, if I bring it down now, it will not supply to the house because this is off, and I don't want to stress myself going down there to turn on the breaker off. So I use this breaker to control that guy that is over there, so that I will not be going front and back. So if I bring it down now, you see there's no light to the house, but the moment I on this breaker, the light will come to the house. Look at it. So this is exactly what the design we just did, the little design we did in the paper. We're able to execute it like this. Now I'm taking it back to my NEPA. The job completed. All we need is to guide this thing, cover it the way it should be. This is the job, it's completed, completely in use. Now look at what happened. You see, you can always get us or contact us anywhere. Probably you want to chat us on WhatsApp. This number is on WhatsApp, or you put call across, or even go to our email, drop your message, ask your question, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and even in Google. You can search us and get in contact with us. Thank you for watching.